Chapter 7. Stratification. Paradox. Inequality is the result of abundance. How equal are all the people living on the planet? Consider the following diagram. If the world were reduced to 100 people, it would look like this. 60 would be Asian, 13 African, 12 European, 10 Latin American or Caribbean, and 5 people would be from North America. 70 out of the 100 people would be illiterate, 50 would be malnourished, only 1 would be college educated, and 6 people would own half the world's wealth. Sociologists use the term stratification to describe the systemic social inequality that arises between groups of people, such as between those 6 and us 94. When societies become more efficient, individuals produce more than they can consume in a given time period. Before preservation or storage advancements, people could either give their surplus away or let it rot. The incentive might have been to share your wealth when you couldn't store it, thereby generating goodwill for future time when you or someone you know had a stroke of bad luck and needed to rely, in turn, on the kindness of others. But once people learned to preserve their surplus, they began to hoard the extra resources. That extra food could be transformed into assets, a form of wealth that could be stored for the future. In fact, the word assets has a French origin, avoir assez, meaning to have enough. Also, if a resource-rich individual decides to distribute surplus wealth, she might in turn extract power, promises, and rewards for providing those resources, just as she might have before storage was possible. From literally preserving berries to putting money in a hedge fund, the more abundance we are able to store, the greater the inequalities we observe. Of course, societies choose to various degrees to redistribute that stored wealth. However, in the U.S., such policy doesn't tend to go over so well.